Have you ever visited a website and thought, wow, what are these fonts? What colors are they using? How did they style this? But then you opened the DevTools, you saw a wall of code, and you gave up. If that's the case, then CSS Peeper is all you need. You just click and see styles without touching a code. It's like X-ray vision for web design. What's up, design peeps? Today we are going all in. Here is a step-by-step guide through features, tips, and hidden gems of CSS Peeper. Let's dive in. This one is a total no-brainer. You go to the Chrome Web Store and add CSS Peeper to your browser. Once it's installed, you click the puzzle icon, find CSS Peeper, and click the pin icon. That keeps it always visible, one click away. Let's launch it. What matters now is that you can start inspecting right away. You just point and click any element on the site. When the element is selected, the guidelines appear on the screen. Use these to check the padding inside or the spacing between different elements. If you want to speed things up, you can enable the context menu and just hover instead of clicking. Once you've selected an element on the page, you get access to the styles. At the top, you will see the type of the element and its name. Right below, you get its dimensions, plus margin, padding, and the border radius. Next, we've got the font properties: font family, font size, line height, and more. Below that, you can see the colors of the selected element. You can easily check the contrast ratio. Wow, you're still here! You're a legend! Most people drop off by now. If you're still watching, drop a comment saying, "I peep with purpose." No one will know what it means, but we will. Let's go back to the overview screen now. At a glance, you can see the page you're inspecting. It has a breakdown of typography, including headlines and body text, a quick preview of a color palette with any potential contrast issues, and some handy CSS details. Every design should be inclusive. That's why CSS Peeper includes Contrast Scanner. It gathers accessibility data across the site. You will instantly see if the site you're inspecting is compliant with Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. If you want to dig deeper, you can explore each issue individually to see where the problem appears and how to fix it. So you want to see an entire color palette. CSS Peeper collects all the colors used on the page and organizes them in a clean visual way. You can copy any individual color or export the entire palette. You can switch to Categories view to browse the colors according to its purpose. When you inspect an individual color, you can dive deeper into its usage. You will see all the elements the color is applied to together with the class name and the contrast ratio. This can help you further understand the design decisions behind the colors. I've got to say, Typography tab is my favorite. CSS Peeper shows all the fonts used on the page. It identifies headings, links, body text, and more, showing the font family, font size, line height, font weight, everything type-related in one place. If you want to dig deeper, you can inspect each typography style individually. That lets you locate where each style appears on the page and quickly switch between them. It's perfect for spotting inconsistencies or learning from great websites. Next up, the Assets tab. You need that icon, or maybe that hero image. CSS Peeper shows all the images and SVGs used across the page. You can download them all in one click. And a bonus tip. Whenever you select an image on the page using Inspector, a special preview opens up. You can then download the image instantly with just a click. Last but not least, Preferences. At the top you can see the account you're using, together with the active plan. Below, you can change the theme. What kind of design tool would it be without the dark mode, right? If you're looking for a different color coding, you can choose between hex, HSL, and RGB. Same goes for the font size units. You can go with pixels or rem, although rem would highly depend on the page syntax. Customize the preferences however you need. Just note that you can enable settings only when you have a free CSS Peeper account. And that's it! If you haven't already, go and install CSS Peeper to try it out. There is a link in the description below. Don't forget to drop a like if this video was helpful, and consider subscribing if the content was valuable to you. If there is anything that we have missed in this video, let us know in the comments. Till the next one!